Yeah. Is it fine if I record the meeting? Alex was like,
Yeah, okay, it's no problem.
that's cool. So yeah, Alex, what do you think? What do you think
So,
about it?
yeah, I'm trying to understand what you so are you working with clients to create like
Yeah.
products?
No, we're going to be making websites and progressive web apps to our clients.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So that is going to be our main focus for now at launch. And that
Mm-hmm.
is what the website focuses on, the content and everything. Yeah.
So you're focusing currently on a website, not an application,
Sorry?
because I think Alex
Yeah.
mentioned working on an application, or was he meaning like a web app?
Yes, this is a web app. So I told you, right, this is a project management tool, so that if a client has a ongoing project with us, they can chat with us, they can call for support, they can, it's like a interface between us and the client. That's the app.
Right, true. Okay, I see, I
Yes.
see. So, do you have anything to show me?
Yes. I can share you my screen and I can show you the Figma board we have.
Yeah, sure.
Share screen. Yeah. So hey Alex, just a sec, just a sec. Present, sir. Sorry, there was a class going on. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yep. So, okay. So from the beginning, we have the login and create account page, and the blank card is just for a carousel kind of thing. It's going to be showing the features and stuff that is on process. And so once you log in, your you get into the dashboard. So the dashboard and the progress view. Okay, so there are 5 sections in our app: dashboard, progress view, chat section, account section, and support section. For now, the support section is done, the chat section is done, and the account settings is done. So I'll brief you about the chat settings for now. So so let's just say you're a new client and then you have signed up for an account with us, and then we give you the account and then you log in and you're in the chats page. Because you're new, you do not have any open chats right now. So to open a chat with any of our developers or our team, you'll have to click on the plus icon, and then you'll have to like kind of put in your reason. What is your reason to start the chat and request to chat? And it is up to us if we give them the permission to chat with us. So the reason behind this is because so that people do not spam us with the chats and stuff like that. And if you come into the main section, once you start a chat, this is going to be the interface. So the left section has all of the team members, sorry, the teams, and the middle section being the chat. And then the right section, there's a sidebar. So you click on the 3 lines, it opens up a sidebar, and it has 2 sections: members and files history. So the files history is going to have files based on the date, and members is going to have the list of members. So this is going to be the chat section. What do you think of the design?
I see. The design is not bad. It's actually pretty nice and clean.
Okay.
Uh, Another thing I saw is that I think someone sent like or Alex from the web Discord, like he sent some website because I think there was like 3D designs in the background, and I think it was pretty dark too. And also another design he liked was dark. So I was thinking, is this the theme you're aiming for, or are you aiming for something more like darker or?
So we're going to be having 2 themes: dark mode and light mode. This is going to be the light
Ah, I
mode.
see, I see, I
Yeah.
see, I see.
So the dark mode is somewhat going to be like this.
Oh, I see, I see. This
Yeah.
is nice.
Okay. We just wanted to have this option because, millennial people. So yeah.
Yeah. Also.
So yeah, Alex, what do you think so far?
I see you've had like you see a big chunk of the design done. So I guess you're missing the landing page, I guess,
Yeah, we are
because
missing
this
the
is for the
landing page.
application.
Yes, this is for the application. That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So is there something I can help you with now? Like we can do something?
Yeah, sure. We wanted to get the dashboard done, the progress done, plus the landing page is for the landing page we just have a wireframe for now. We do not have a good design. We do not have a design yet, so we can start either with the app or with the landing page, whatever you feel like.
I guess we can continue with the app since it's like already almost done. But if you can show me like a copy of that file, if that's okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So what are you also looking for a designer? Do you need to just work with someone for a couple hours, or are you looking for a designer or a developer?
For now, Alex was like, if there's someone who could help you get the designs done pretty quick. Yeah, that's what the thing was for now. And if we like people, we can just get them into the team. Yeah.
I see.
Oh, by the way, I saw your Google Drive link. I liked your designs, dude. The illustrations were really good.
How do you label? Those are pretty old. I mean, I was not even sure if to send those because I saw you aim for like completely different things. So I was like, is this like correct thing? Like, is this good for what they need? But I'm glad you like something. Have you started the like development, or do you have any plan for the technology?
Okay, so there's this another guy, Roshan. He's gonna be using React to implement all of this stuff.
I see.
Yeah, so he's the developer, and plus he does the backend stuff. Yep.
So a full stack dev.
Yeah, he's a full stack dev. My God, just a sec. Just a sec. I'll put it on the chat. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Oh, by the way, where do you stay?
I'm from Macedonia.
Okay.
Oh, where are you from? Like, where are you guys based?
Me and Roshan are from India, and Alex is from California. Yeah.
So how did this start? I'm looking at the designs now.
Okay. So
Oh, you have a mobile app too, like concept something.
yeah, the thing is, this is gonna be for everything, right? Not just the
Yeah.
desktop version, even the tablet version and the mobile version. So I was like, once the desktop version's done, we can just load it into mobile view. It's gonna be pretty okay-ish. So yeah, please do have a look at it and just let me know what you feel about it, like so far.
So how did this start?
Okay, you mean the company or the idea
Yeah,
behind?
the idea, yes, or you
Okay.
guys.
So it was basically like, so Alex came up with a plan, something like, so we met on Upwork and she was like, I like your designs. Why not try something like building websites for companies? And I'm specialized in designing plus animations using Rive. So I was
Mm-hmm.
like, fine, okay. I also know this another guy who's a developer. He's like a full stack guy. He knows a lot of stuff. Plus, he does React and Flutter. And she was like, oh, that's good. So we just happened to meet up, and then you know, like
Yeah, it
we
just
just got
like
along.
rolls out. Cool. I really like the dark design, like the dark theme.
Yeah, that's what Alex said. Yeah, but then she was like, we also need to have a light theme because we need to have it. So you can just get into your account settings, and there's an option light or dark.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can I make a copy of this so I can,
Yes.
or I can work here, or I can actually create a new page. So your goal is to have this, like the app design finished first.
Um.
So I guess
Yeah.
you're just missing the dashboard and the progress. So is there a wireframe? I think you said you had a wireframe.
Yeah, we have the wireframe for the dashboard, but then we do not have a wireframe for the progress view. For the progress view, so we have an idea, but we do not have a wireframe. I can explain you the idea.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. So can you come to the spot? Have you played Candy
Wait.
Crush?
Yeah.
Yeah, so our theme was to make it super simple for the clients to understand where the progress is right now. So we had this idea of a Candy Crush kind of layout. So it's like the bottommost circle. Can you come to this part?
Wait, let me find you. Team Mad Empty. Nope. Wait, where are you? Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So basically the bottommost circle is kind of, your start point. And the next one might be the wireframing part. And then it kind of deviates into two different things, back end, front end, a lot of stuff in back end, a lot of stuff in front end. And at the end, the bigger circle is going to be your endpoint. Basically your project is completed and it's given out,
Mm-hmm.
you can pay us. So this was the idea behind how to have the progress view on our app.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Yeah. So what do you think about it?
So I'm thinking about the development. So I don't think that every chart can be completely different because I guess it can be hard to implement. But if you have like, for example, a chart where it starts with like progress, for example, progress is initiated, like the first circle is that. And the second, I think there's like, have you ordered from like somewhere online? I think
Yeah.
like anywhere.
Yeah.
So they have this like product is shipped, product has left the country, product has whatever, and it's static for every item that is sent. So the process is the same for every item, right? So maybe this can be same here, like the project is initiated, like first one. Then maybe the next one is like the front end is complete. I don't know like what you plan to do first. Like backend, I guess. Testing, I guess. Like you get my point, I think.
Yeah, I
Something
get the
that should
point.
be like static for every something that's general for every project that you will be completing. And for example, if this is completed, it will be like some kind of a different like active design instead of the others. But like you get my point, I think,
Yeah,
with what
yeah.
I'm saying, like for the development at the end. But I guess you should see with your developer mostly. So
I
I
get it.
guess this is what. So this is, I guess, what you need from this one, like information for the client, just for the client to know where the project is currently. And I guess progress for that specific project. Maybe if they order like 2 projects, I guess you need to show the 2 projects.
And yeah, so what do you think about the design also? Like, I mean, the icons, the overall layout, stuff like that.
I think the icons are very clean and nice, so that's good.
Okay.
I think maybe the light theme can be improved a bit, but I think the dark one is pretty nice. It's like very sleek.
Okay. And okay, that's nice to hear.
So do you also have like a, I think we came with a problem like on our project midway, is that we didn't have a design system. So I'm not sure if you do have that, like a design system.
So what is that?
So generally, for example, material design, there's standards for when you build your application, for example. So you want to have continuity with the app. So you don't want to have like 30 or 40 different fonts. You just generally you want to have like a couple, like maximum like dozen fonts that you use throughout your application.
Okay.
You want like the color scheme ready, and like different elements you will have. So for example, in Flutter, when we're like currently what application we're building in Flutter, it's based on material design. I guess you know what that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so material has this color scheme of, wait, let me show you, of primary, like secondary, surface, and so on. And I
Okay.
guess because I saw like a couple of times you have different colors here. So you have blue and purple.
Yeah.
So I guess those are your primary colors, like colors you want to keep the themes going.
The primary colors, the brand colors are going to be purple and pink, but then you know, it kind of seemed too much. The colors were too much, so I had to pick up some neutral colors like blue and gray and stuff like that.
Yeah, see, I mean the colors are really nice. That just fits the dark theme, like very nice.
That's nice.
So I guess this is just a little like tip if you have time to do it, like the design system.
Yes, I get it. So you're talking about an UI kit.
Oh yeah, basically like that. So you have continuity with the application, for example. Like on the application currently we had like 20 different fonts, and that was a problem because it had it was not continuous throughout these pages.
Okay.
So I had to move to like 9 different fonts that we use through the application. And it helps a lot because you know what's going on with the design.
Yeah, that's true.
And also with the colors, I guess you can just paste it here. This is based on material design. So this is what they have, like primary, secondary, background, surface, error, and so on. So we didn't have much colors, but I guess you have more colors here. So this is a little tip, like if you want to do it.
Yeah, thanks for it, dude. Like
I can send you like a template or something.
Oh, that'll be great, man. Thanks.
So wait, I think I saw like a wireframe for the dashboard,
Um,
or it wasn't there.
I mean, we have an idea for the dashboard. If you scroll into the design part, there's this thing, right? Yeah, dashboard 16. Yeah, let me. Yeah, this one, dude. Yeah. So have you used CodePen? I'm sure you have.
Oh, I'm not sure. Wait, I can search for it. No, I haven't.
Okay. So these two lines, sorry, dashboard is going to have three parts. That being the left part is going to have the notification section. That is the recent stuff, what has been changed while the client has been out. So it's going to be based on time again. And each is going to have a button that's going to take it to its specific location. For example, if there's a new milestone added, then there's going to be this notification. For example, a new wireframe page has been added. Click the button to check progress. So all such kind of notifications is going to be on the recent part, and the middle part is going to have a part of the progress menu. Like we thought, why should the user go into the progress menu each and every time to check his progress? Why not just check it on the dashboard? So the middle part of the dashboard is going to have a part of the progress menu. So it's going to be like just a small part of it, and you click on view more to get into the progress view. And the right section is going to have a ticket system. So I'll explain you the ticket system. So on the support page, can you see there's this thing, still have questions, raise a support ticket here.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, so you click on that, and then there's an overlay of this form. So basically in the form, you just enter what's your query and your additional description. Do you have any else to talk about? And then would you like to tag any team specifically? That being the marketing team, the design team, wireframe team, stuff like that. And then you hit submit, and something like a box is gonna pop up over here on your dashboard over here. That's like a ticket. So it's gonna say what query it is and what's the date it has been raised and what is the I mean, has there been any replies on it? So that is what the idea for dashboard was. So what do you think? And these two lines, yeah, these two black lines, this is based from CodePen. So what you can do is you can just drag these lines to the left or right so that you can increase that specific section to the full width or zero width. And the content,
I see.
yeah, and the content is gonna resize based on that.
It's just the black is popping. Oh, sorry. Maybe like I didn't assume too much what the center was. If you can like create a quick like add some text so I know what exactly it is. But I see your point now for the progress too. Like you want different, so you'll have different items for every project, right?
Yeah,
Like
that's
different goals, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Well, I guess I mean yeah, it can be like, so like some project will have through here, some will go like more and go out. Oh, I see. So are you planning on like branching this? So
Yeah,
for example,
because
to have like this kind of thing?
exactly. Yeah, I was about to ask you the same thing right now.
Yeah, I think yeah, I mean, this can be done. But I guess it's a little complicated.
Okay,
But if you
so
set up like the backend, like
yeah.
you can just like set up, for example, this can branch out to two, but I'm not sure like how this will branch back. But I guess it's like, that's his part.
I mean, I asked Roshan if he can actually branch stuff out and if he can implement it. He was like, that's fine. I've done it before.
Oh, nice. Cool. I'm thinking about like a lot of the development because I'm also like a developer too. So, but yeah, I see your point. So I guess like they can like scroll out to view if there's like more stuff in here.
Okay, so horizontal scroll.
Okay, so yeah, I see your point for this progress too. I just didn't understand your point for exactly this part here.
For example, let's just say this part is gonna have like what is happening right now in the progress menu, like what is
Uh-huh.
happening right now.
I see, I see, I see.
So for example, if this, if this is the part that's happening at that specific time, this part is gonna be over here.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
So like this information should be conveyed here.
yeah.
Like how's it like small over?
Yep.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So is the dashboard design good? I mean, these three elements.
I think it's okay. I was at first not sure if it's like too cramped in, but I guess that's like nicely sorted since you have like that. I thought that you can apply for a ticket here, but you can just see the tickets here. So I guess that's good. It's like no problem. So I guess you're just going like trying to add more stuff in like one screen.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So,
like this is what the
so,
the person like wants to see primary. Sorry, yeah.
so do you think this part is necessary? Even I wasn't so sure about it. Roshan suggested me this, like a small overview of that thing. So do you think this part is necessary?
You have a whole like page for this, so
Yeah. So
I
what's your
mean, if it's a
suggestion?
small overview, like so far from where the current project is. But I guess you can add like a small part to inform like your current project is at, like I don't know, like and like somewhere. And this takes a lot less space if you can put it somewhere else.
Okay.
And maybe you can add like more stuff if you need. But like, do you need to add more stuff in the dashboard?
Um, for now, the main idea was just recent notifications and the tickets.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing else. Do you have any other ideas what we can put up on dashboard?
I guess you can like have this like highlighted somewhere like before this continues, like the recent part. So if you have like the tickets shorted out here, and you have like maybe the recent part put out here, and this I don't know, like highlighted somewhere, like at the beginning. So like your project currently at this part, and leave the rest space out for the recent, like the information.
Okay, I like that idea.
So like that's one thing you can do here. So you leave out more space for this. And they can get like a link to this, even though they already have it like on the dashboard.
Okay.
I mean, it depends on what you need for this application. So like the features that you need here can be like added in here. Like I don't know right now if you need like something else here.
Okay, I get it.
So can a person take up like order more projects from you? Like maybe they can see another
Yes.
project here.
If they
Okay,
want to,
yeah.
yeah. So if they want to start a new project, we thought of having like a thing over here in the ticket system. So that's something like, I want a new project. So basically the thing is like the way our client is going to book a project with us is through a Zoom meeting. So on our website, we have this thing called schedule of meeting. Okay. You click on that, a form pops up, you fill in your name, email, your preferred date, time slot, and then we give them a Zoom link. We talk to them. They explain us what all we need, what all they need to be implemented and stuff like that. And then that's how a person gets a project from us.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if they want to start another project, since they have this app with them, they can just, some part of the app should have this thing like start another project, something like Yeah, so that can happen simultaneously. So yeah.
I see. So I guess it's like a priority, like a priority feature that you don't want your client to miss out on. So I guess it should be put like with more accent outside of tickets,
Okay.
because this tickets has one goal. It needs to show the user the current tickets they have added. So I'm not sure if you should put it in here, but I guess if you leave out more space from the reason, since you think that it's not that important, and you already have it implemented as a whole screen, you can show it like you can show that part like something. You can show that part, but also like give the user some space for or start to add a new project, or for example a button here. Since I think that's like one of your big like features that you want like the user to. So you want to keep the users, right? Like
Yeah,
the
that's true.
person, the clients, sorry.
Yeah, correct. We want to have this long relationship.
Yeah, so you don't really want it like to have it like some by side like feature somewhere in tickets that they won't probably even see.
Yeah.
So I guess that you should put priority on that too. Oh, here's light mode. Is there a reason why the box is like this?
Not exactly. I think we're just spacing it out. It got compressed. I forgot to make
I
it.
see. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what confused me like for a second, because these shoes are like stretched out for the user. Are you a student too?
Sorry?
Are you a student too? Because you said you had labs or something.
Yes. Right now I'm studying computer science engineering.
Oh, cool. So what year are you in?
Second year.
Oh, me too.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Oh, and you're computer engineer too. So
Yeah, second
that's
year.
nice. How did they teach over there? Is it good?
Not really, but I mainly like study outside of school because I mean, school is helping me to stay focused and like learn new things. But if I really want to learn something, like school is not really the place.
That's true. It's the
So
same
I guess,
case.
yeah, you can relate. Like if you work outside, like for example, like you work with designs outside, you just can learn that from school or like college.
That's true.
I really like the dark theme. Like this is really nice.
Thanks, dude. And on the dark theme, the thing is we were about to bring the sidebar to the bottom bar. So that's fine, right?
This one, I think this is really neat. Like this, I think that I like this better than the bottom part, but I guess that's like preference. It looks more sleek, I guess. And also I noticed like, what if you keep like the buttons like constant color? Since I see you have somewhere blue, somewhere purple. Or- I'm not sure how like you want how much accents you want this to be.
Like the reason the button was blue because we thought, the right section enter your reason that was blue, and then the left section, the three lines that was blue. So, kind of just
I see. I see.
that
Yeah, it
was
was just confusing me a bit. Like, why? Because this is blue and this is purple now, and it's like right next to each other. I mean, it got me in my eye like the first thing I saw, but
okay.
These are not really like that big stuff with the user later, but if you really want to like get more, I guess that's comes more with like talking with the user.
Yeah,
I can't say what is like good or bad because it's still its design's like preference.
I get you. It's you're literally saying like the devil's in the details.
Yeah,
Hmm.
like there's no good or bad with design. It's just
Preference, yeah, true.
yeah. So you have like two different colors.
Sorry?
Yeah, so you want to have two different colors with this, right?
Yeah,
Because you could just yeah, I wouldn't went with like all purple.
will it be good though? Will it look good? Sure.
I actually have more colors. I like the gradient, it's very nice here. I mean, I guess it's just, you probably have tested it with a single color, so it's still again a preference.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, the chat section, you just changed it to those colors, right? Like it was actually those colors before I changed it to this because Alex was like, the pink and purple, like it's like too much. Like why not make it pale?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's like we might like it, but then most of the people out there want some elegant, more um, not so catchy stuff.
I see, I see.
Yeah, so that's the reason I removed most of the solid colors and just made it a bit more neutral.
Yeah, it's because I saw like three colors just in this part, like four different colors. So maybe like you can keep these colors, but like try to like balance it out, like just
Yeah.
this part, I guess. Can you see my point? Like what I'm seeing currently?
Yes, I get your point.
But I really like I really like this dark part and the menu on the left. Okay, so is there anything else you want to show me?
For now, that's it, dude. And then if you want to work on the site, I can maybe explain you that. But then you said you wanted to work on this, right? So that's fine. Anything, whatever you would like. So for now, the designs left. What we can do is maybe like, you know, perfect the designs that have been done until now, then create the design for the progress view, like how exactly it's gonna look like.
I see. So do you want me to like try something while
Yeah,
you're
sure.
like having clown
Sure, like
classes?
like you can try some completely new stuff also. Like that's fine. I want to look at it.
Sure, yeah. So yeah, I can try something like we're
Yeah.
you're in college, so we can talk again at 8 afterwards. Or
Yeah.
like we can just chat or something.
Yeah. Sure, dude.
I'll create like a new page and like try some stuff there.
Cool. Yeah. Take your time, dude. No props.
Sure.
So that's it for now.
So do you want to like is there a reason why you wanted to work like together? Do you want to like work on the designs together or like is it okay
Um,
if we
Alex prefers it. Alex prefers that we document whatever we do. So that's the reason we record each and every Zoom meeting, so that later
oh I see.
people cannot just say it's not your design, it's not yours, blah 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 blah.
Ah, I see.
That's the reason.
Okay.
I mean, I don't mind it. You can work on your own. That's completely fine. I just want to look at it, what you do later. So once it's done, just
Yeah,
let me know.
sure.
Yep.
Yeah, so yeah, I can try something. So if you like it, like continue to work. Like
Sure, dude.
otherwise, like no worries.
So yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I can try that out and like you can notify me when you're done with college.
Yep. So that's cool. So fine then. Bye. So I'll
Great.
end the meeting.
Yeah. Talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.